Hi there, this is Joe Baird of Joe's Crafty Hook, and in today's video tutorial I am going to show you how to do the double crochet 3 together all in one stitch or all in one space. So as you can see here, this makes a nice lacy stitch, and as you can see here, creates like a kind of a little puff stitch right there. This is in worsted weight yarn or Aran weight yarn, and I actually use this stitch in my lacy scarf crochet pattern. So as you can see here, I use Trubu, Lion Brand Trubu, to create a nice lacy scarf for like spring or summer. You can even wear it in fall to dress up any outfit or dress down any outfit. And as you can see here, these are the double crochet 3 together all in one space. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the double crochet 3 together all in one stitch. Okay, so I am going to use worsted weight yarn just to show you how to do this stitch so you can see it better on these that comes up in the lacy scarf. So this will help you learn this stitch in case you want to use it with any type of yarn. You can use worsted weight, you can use DK, fingering yarn, even in sports yarn. Okay, so this stitch is a multiple of 3 plus 1. So what we're going to do is we are going to crochet, we are going to chain 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we have 11 chains, and we are going to single crochet in that second chain from our hook. So there we have our first single crochet. And just to show you the nice lacy stitch, we're gonna chain 3. Then we're gonna skip 2 stitches here, or 2 chain, and then we're gonna single crochet in that next chain. Then we're gonna chain 3, and then we're gonna skip 2 stitches, single crochet in that next chain, chain 3, and then we are going to single crochet in that last chain after we skip the next 2. Okay. Okay, so there we have our beginning row to do our next rows of double crochet 3 together. So we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and single crochet in that first single crochet. Okay, so now we are going to chain 3, and then we're going to do our double crochet 3 together all in that single crochet that we made. Okay, so yarn over, insert our hook into that single crochet, yarn over. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and we're going to yarn over, go through in that same single crochet, yarn over, pull through. We have 4 loops on our hook. Sorry about my cat there. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, So we have 3 loops on our hook, and we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that next, or into that same single crochet. We have 5 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2. That gives us 4 loops on our hook. And we're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Okay, and there you can see we have our double crochet 3 together. You can see those separate double crochets in there. Okay, so we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to double crochet 3 together in that next single crochet. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook into that single crochet, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that same single crochet, yarn over, pull through. We have 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. There goes our second double crochet. And we're going to yarn over, and then we're going to go through that same single crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, and pull through 1 loop. Okay, so you have 5 loops on your hook. So you can yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Leaves you 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Okay, so there we have our second double crochet 3 together. Okay, so we're gonna yarn over, or we're gonna chain 3 and then single crochet in that last single crochet. Okay, so I'm going to show you this one more time so you can see how we stack our double crochet 3 together on top of each other. Okay, so we're going to chain 1, we're going to turn our work, and we're going to single crochet in that first single crochet. We're going to chain 3, we're going to single crochet in that double crochet 3 loop that you see right here. So we're going to single crochet there. We're going to chain 3, and then we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to single crochet in that double crochet 3 together loop. Okay, that just gives us a foundation chain to do that again. So we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to single crochet in that last single crochet. Okay, and then next we are going to build up our double crochet 3 together. So here you can see we have our foundation row to build up our second row. So we're going to chain 1, turn our work, single crochet in that first single crochet, chain 3, then we're going to do our double crochet 3 together in that single crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in that single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, go through that same single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and do that one more time into that same single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. And there you see our double crochet 3 together. So we're going to chain 3, and we're going to do that same thing in our next single crochet. So yarn over, insert into there, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, go to that same single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, go through that same single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. And we're just going to connect this. We're going to chain 3, and we're going to single crochet in that last single crochet. Okay, And there you have your double crochet 3 stitches together in the same space. Okay, again, you can see it here. You get your nice puffy stitches that create a nice lacy stitch that you see on my lacy scarf. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to watch for my next video tutorial where I'm going to show you how to double crochet 6 together in the same space, and that helps create your lacy scarf.